Hi, it's Immobiliser Fit, one of the leading installers of Starline systems. And what we've installed today is the Starline Stealth on this 2013 E92 BMW M3. So the way this system works is obviously a Bluetooth or push sequence immobiliser along with subscription-free tracking. And how it protects the vehicle: if someone was to obviously clone the key, they were trying to clone this key, hopped in or programmed the key, tried to start it, drive the vehicle away, it just won't start. So if the customer's Bluetooth on, what they've got to do, turn the ignition on, go through their push sequence. We've left it nice and simple for now. 1, 2, 3. Receive a melody, put on the brake, and we can start the vehicle. If the customer didn't want to use the PIN code, they just wanted to hop in the vehicle and have it act as normal, all they need to do, pair their phone up through Bluetooth, and now when they get in the vehicle, ignition on, melody because their phone's in range, and they can start the vehicle and no need to use a code. If the customer needs to take this to BMW to get serviced, they'll obviously want to put it into service mode, as they won't want BMW to use the code or have to leave the phone. And the way they do that, they go into the Starline key app when they're in the vehicle, press and hold on this key, the green circle will spin around and go to yellow. When it does, release, and we'll get 2 bleeps. There we go. So now this is a normal car. So when BMW get it, it will just start up, no need for a phone, no need for a code, and the vehicle will just run as if there's nothing fitted. Obviously when you get it back from them, you're going to want it protected again. So all you've got to do, press and hold, turn the yellow back to green, 2 bleeps, and it'll be protected. There we go. So now if we turn the Bluetooth off, this will act like the phone's out of range, or you're out one day and the phone's died, and what you'll have to do is put the push sequence in. So now if someone hopped in with the phone out of range or flat, it just won't start. Lastly, if the customer wants to change the code, they obviously won't want to leave it 3 presses. So the way you change it is first ignition on and disarm the system with the old code. Then press any button 5 times. Cycle the ignition off and back on. We'll get 5 bleeps and it'll be ready to learn. So now we'll just change it to... This can be a combination between 3 and 21 presses in any order the customer chooses of any supported buttons, but we're just trying to keep it simple for video purposes. So now we've got our confirmation, we'll just repeat that again. Got our second confirmation, that's the code learnt, ignition off. So now, next time you hop into the vehicle, what you'll have to do, ignition on, that was within 10 seconds, so it automatically disarmed. So we'll give it more than 10 seconds. So now if we turn the ignition on, we get no melody and we'll have to use our new disarm code. So system disarmed, foot on the brake, we can start the vehicle. So if you want to get your vehicle secured, this is the Starline Stealth system, which is subscription-free tracking, along with phone paired and push sequence immobilisation. So if in the event that this vehicle is lifted with the immobiliser fitted, you then have the backup tracker to locate it and retrieve it. Once again, we're Immobiliser Fit, and our number is 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.